I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates rose on Monday after the stock market found its footing and held a narrow gain. There was talk that Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke might be granted a second four-year term as Fed head after all. But the speculation will not end until the vote is in, and the exact date of the U.S. Senate showdown has yet to be determined. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage rose to 4 7/8% with 1 7/8 points, up a quarter of a point from Friday for an extra cost of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate rose an eighth of a point to half of 1 point. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was up as well, with the 4 1/4% rate at 1 5/8 points, up an eighth of a point from Friday. The 4 1/2% rate rose to a quarter of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. The bond market benefited from a report on Monday morning saying existing home sales plunged 16.7% last month after many people thought the $8,000 federal income tax credit for first-time buyers would not be renewed. It eventually was extended, but too late to cause an improvement in the December data. On Tuesday, we will find out how consumer confidence fared this month. The expectation is for a sideways trend. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Tuesday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.